And there we go. Hello and welcome back to LockLab 101. What we're doing today is we're going to take a look at this INGCO 63mm padlock. There isn't a lot of information online about it. However, according to the key, there are 6 pins, and I do expect some security pins, 1 or 2 of them. And that's just from what I found online, but it's not for sure. So let's get this opened and find out. It has a very large keyway. It is not paracentric, so we may be able to get a comb in it. However, if you look very closely, what I see is that when they painted this, some paint did get on the first pin. And it looks like some pin may have gotten on the second pin also. Okay. There is quite a bit of spring tension in the key. Alright, I have not picked this lock before. It looks like it could be shimmed. Alright, let's see what we can do. We know that there's 6 pins in here, and let's go ahead and get a comb that will fit this. The way I do that is I get my comb set here. Okay, so this is an INGCO, and the way this comb set works, or the way it can be used, is in here you have a make of all these different locks. You have Abyss, Chubb, Egret, all kinds of locks. INGCO just isn't going to be on here. These are the larger manufacturers. So what I start to look at is, since I know there's 6 pins in there, I start looking at these here. So I have a 6 2.5, 6 1.7, a bunch of different 6s. Okay, and I know some of these won't work, and we could go in and measure it, but what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take my best guess off of experience and intuition, and I'm going to use this one here because I can see that the fingers on this comb are long enough to push those pins all the way down into, or past the shear line. Because if you see, the shear line is actually inside this cylinder outer diameter, because there's a wall right there. And then I use this tool right here to push the pins down, and then we'll put the pin in. So let me go ahead and show you that. So I'm going to start with a 6 2.5, and if that doesn't work, I'll probably go to a 6 2.7, but we're going to start with this. So let me get this lock in a vise. So in order to get this in the keyway, what we're going to have to do is push down on all of the pins so they don't get caught up in between the comb fingers. So I use this tool here. I put it in the keyway. I press down on all pins. Insert the comb. I pull this out because this is what keeps all the pins down. And I try and line the comb up with the pins, and sometimes you have to work it back and forth. Each one of those fingers on the comb need to align with a pin in the lock. I'm not sure if this is going to work, but we're going to give it a shot. Okay, maybe that's better. Okay, I think we're close. Okay, now we're down. So right now all of the pins have been pushed below the shear line, I believe. Put a tension wrench in here. And there we go. Right, like that. All right, so that did work. So what we're going to try next is we're going to try picking it.